One way to factor polynomials is to factor by grouping, and a good indication that you're going to use grouping is that we have 4 pieces to this polynomial. If we had 3, we might use the quadratic formula or something like that. I'm going to group it as a front set and a back set, and then I'm going to look at only one piece at a time. So let's start with the front set. I'm going to ask myself, what is the greatest common factor of these? Thinking both the numbers and the variables. And it looks like a 5a goes into both of those. So I'm going to put a 5a, and then in a parentheses I'm going to put what I get when I factor it out. 15 divided by 5 is 3. A squared divided by a leaves an a. The 5 and the a cancel out, so that would just leave the minus b. In the back here, what divides into both 12a and negative 4b? It would be a 4. It's positive, so I'm going to use that plus sign to separate this. Parentheses. 12a divided by 4 is 3a, and negative 4b divided by 4 is negative b. My goal is to get these two parentheses to be the same. If they are the same, I'm going to rewrite it, 3a minus b, and then I'm going to make another binomial by using the pieces that were in front here, the 5a and the plus 4. 5a plus 4. If you think about it, if I was to distribute, this would be 5a times both of these, so 5a times both of these. And it would be 4 times both of these, 4 times both of those. So it's just kind of like undistributing. And if we ever wanted to check, we could FOIL these out or use the box or whatever method you'd like to multiply this out. Here's another one to try. Okay, so looking at the first two here, I'm going to ask what goes into both of these. And it doesn't look like any number does, but x squared does. And if I factor that out, I would have a 4x and a plus 5y. From these two, it looks like I can only take a 2 out, so plus 2 parentheses. Half of 8x is 4x. Half of 10y is 5y. So again, I'd like these two to be the same, and if they are the same, I'm going to rewrite 4x plus 5y in one parentheses. And the other binomial is going to be the two front pieces, the x squared and the plus 2. X squared plus 2. That is the process of grouping. If you would like, try this problem, and then click on the link to see how well you did. Notice this one has 4 different letters involved in it. There you go. Try that.